When you think of great car nations, you imagine Germany, Italy, or Japan. But what if I told you? The Czech Republic has been building cars for over a century. And today, it's one of the biggest car producers in Europe. Czechia may be a small country, but it's a giant in the automotive world. From legendary brands like Tatra to modern-day Škoda, the Czech Republic has shaped the roads of Europe for generations. 1. The pioneer. Tatra, founded in 1850. Tatra is one of the oldest car manufacturers in the world. It became famous for its innovative air-cooled engines and aerodynamic designs. During the 1930s, cars like the Tatra T77 stunned the world with futuristic looks and advanced engineering. Even today, Tatra builds rugged trucks used by militaries and industries worldwide. 2. Škoda! The Czech pride when people hear Czech cars. They think of Škoda Auto. Founded in 1895, it started with bicycles, then motorcycles, and eventually cars. By the late 20th century, Škoda was struggling. But in 1991, Volkswagen Group took control. That move transformed Škoda into a global success story. Today, Škoda makes stylish, affordable, and reliable cars sold in over 100 countries. Models like the Škoda Octavia Superb and Kodiaq are everywhere, from Europe to India. 3. Czech Republic! Europe's factory. The Czech Republic isn't just about Škoda and Tatra. It's also a hub for global car makers. Hyundai runs a massive factory in Nozovice. Toyota builds cars, and countless automotive suppliers provide parts for BMW, Audi, Mercedes, and Porsche. With over 1.3 million cars produced every year, Czechia ranks among the top car-producing countries in Europe. 4. Electric future. Like the rest of the world, Czechia is shifting to electric mobility. Škoda has already launched EVs like the Enyaq IV, while Tatra is exploring alternative drivetrains for its trucks. Plus, new investments are flowing into battery technology and EV parts manufacturing. The Czech Republic isn't just keeping up, it's racing ahead. 5. Why the Czech Republic matters. Think about it. A nation of just 10 million people. But cars are its #1 export. From Škoda family cars to Tatra trucks, Czech's engineering has earned global respect. It's proof that quality, innovation, and resilience can put a small country on the automotive map. So next time you see a Škoda on the road or a Tatra truck powering through the toughest terrain, remember, it's not just a car. It's a piece of Czech history and a symbol of a country that punches far above its weight in the automotive world.